In this lecture, we're going to look at examples of the programs or workshops that I'll be using to teach in this course. In this course, I use the C# language, together with an SQL Server database like this. I'll be giving an example by guiding you through building a point-of-sale system, or POS for short. Some of you might know it as a retail sales program, which is basically a system where you receive products and then sell them. Okay, now let's see what this program can do. I'll press the Start button. When it opens, the program will display a login form for us to verify our identity. Then, press Enter. After we log in here, the menu will appear, because right now there is no menu showing. Alright, if the login is successful, it will display these various menus. We can also click the Logout button right here. It will return to the initial screen just like before. The menu disappears, and it's ready for you to enter your username and password again. You can see it right away. Now let's take a look. In this program, there are mainly two main sections. The first is product management, which is for receiving products to sell. Here you can also add items, update items, delete items, or search for different things. Here I will give. But let's assume that the products have already arrived at the store. Actually, there should be another system, which is the purchasing system. But here we're going to simplify things and use just this form. Let's say we already have the products and their quantities, for example. This is just to keep the workshop from getting too long, so I'm leaving out the purchase order section. With just the product management part, we're already able to sell products now. Alright, now let's take a look at our main module, which is this one, the point of sale system. Selling products starts with scanning the barcode. At this moment, I will assume that the number of stars used for the event is the Enter knock. Pressing Enter works the same way as using a barcode scanner, like this. I'll try scanning 3 items. So like this, you'll see that the quantity shown for each item here will all be 1. But if a customer brings, say, 10 pieces of the same item, let's say it's the first item, you can just edit the item, save it, and then enter the quantity here as 10 pieces. Then press Enter. But you can't enter a quantity higher than what's in stock.